What's up everybody, Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault. We are now on day 62 of this beginning 5K program, so buckle up. Alright, day 62 is a workout day, so you need to get your shoes on, you need to get your mind right, you need to listen to Coach Robin, so here she is.
Welcome back. It is Friday and we are going back up today. We are going up to 2 3/4 miles, but we already did it. We did it Monday, so it's no surprise. It's nothing we haven't done before, so I know you're going to get it done and you're going to breeze through it. So we got 2 3/4 miles today, and then again we rest tomorrow. So let's get it done. If you have any questions or concerns, just drop them in the comments below or in our little chat group. And if you're not in our chat group, then just let me know. But if you like this 5K program that we're doing, just come to my Facebook page, and I have all kinds of. It's all about getting healthy, right? And so come to my Facebook page and check out some healthy recipes that I post and other health tips that I post. I have a lot of good information there. The link, if you're watching this on YouTube, is below, so you can find me. If you're watching this on Facebook, then hopefully you've already seen my healthy tips and recipes. But I'm a health coach, and I'm happy to help you with any health coaching tips or help you need. Anyway, I'm going to get this workout done. I'm not going to keep you. I want you to get yours done too, and I'll see you when we're done. That felt really good. 2 3/4 miles under my belt, and under yours too. So good job, everybody. I know you're doing fantastic. I'm just really excited for you to see how far you've come in such a short period of time. So keep it up. We're so close now. We have one more week, and I know you can get it done. I have no doubt in my mind, and I know you don't have any doubt in your mind either. So let's take off tomorrow. It's Sunday. Let's rest and recover and give our legs some time to get ready for Monday's workout. And again, if you need any nutrition advice or other health tips, feel free to reach out to me however you want to on Facebook, YouTube. My link will be in the comments. You can find me, and I'd love to chat. It's what I do. I'm passionate about it. So I'm happy to chat about anything health related. So I will see you tomorrow for our rest day. Have a great day.
All right. 62 days down. You are almost done. You just have a little more than a week, and you're going to be done with this 5K program. We're really proud of you guys. You stuck with it. You stuck with it, and you're going to benefit because you're going to get that 5K in the bag. And hopefully you'll continue to run for the rest of your life. That's what it's all about. If you do like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and also subscribe to the channel. And that way you'll be notified every time we put out a healthy living video. Also, make sure you share this video with all your friends out there who could benefit from a healthy living life, these videos, and also this 5K program. And until tomorrow, I will see you, everybody. Have a good one.